Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to remove a scene from the scene tree using a button. So where we left off, if we run our program, we can see that we can add a llama by clicking the Add a Llama button. But when we click Remove a Llama, nothing happens. So let's go back over to our code and let's make something actually happen when onRemoveLlama pressed is actually triggered, when that function triggers. And so the first thing that we have to do is figure out the last llama that was added to the scene tree. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a variable and I'm going to call this number of llamas. Because I need some logic here, I need to know how many llamas I can remove. And in order to get that number, I have to look inside of my body, my color rectangle, and I want to say get child count. Just like that, a built-in function, get child count. Now I have to get the llama that I want to remove. So I'm going to say var L, short for llama, and I'm going to go into my body node, and I'm going to say get child. Now notice it's asking me for an index, for a number. I have to tell it which child in body do I want to remove. And I am going to tell it, I want you to get the number of llamas minus 1. Now, why is it number of llamas minus 1? Well, that's because computers start counting at 0. And so if there's 1 llama, that means the number of llamas will be 1. And if I subtract 1 from 1, I get 0. In other words, get the child at the 0 position. And so that's my llama. And then finally, what I want to say is body dot remove child, and I want it to remove the child L. So let's see if this code actually works. So if I run my code up here, I can click add a llama, and if I click remove a llama, it should work. And if I click add a llama 2 times, it should remove the last one, then the other one. And that is how we can remove a scene from the scene tree using a button.